2007 Toyota 4Runner, 4.7 liter V8, four-wheel drive, Sport Edition. So I did get the drive shaft reinstalled, the pinion seals installed, companion flanges reinstalled. So here we go. Here's the drive shaft. Companion flange is right there. Drive shaft is bolted to the companion flange. The seal, pinion seal, is installed behind that. If I grab the drive shaft, it's nice and tight now. This is the third time I've set preload on this pinion since I bought the truck. I'm pretty sure that somebody cranked down on the pinion flange and nut and caused the crush sleeve to be too short, which I believe is why it keeps loosening. But it's now nice and tight. I've driven it 150 miles since yesterday, and you can tell it's no longer leaking. It's nice and dry. Oh, that's just crusties, but wipe it. There's nothing on it. It's nice and dry. So, truck's doing good so far until I have to tighten the preload again. I'm trying to find a differential to slap under it, and then rebuild that one afterwards. Used the truck yesterday to go to Harbor Freight. That was a part of the 150 miles. Picked up these 3-ton and 6-ton Daytona orange jack sands, and then just a quick view of all the tools that I used to get that done. Some of these tools ended up not being used, but they were pulled out. But 1/2-inch flex head ratchet, a gear wrench, 2 3/8 ratchet flex head ratchets, one shorter than the other, pry bar, a couple gear wrench, indexing pry bars, 17 millimeter double box end, full set of Olsa Tools wrenches, some 3-jaw pullers, a windshield wiper puller. I actually used this. It worked pretty well. 2-inch socket, 30 millimeter for the nut, for the companion flange nut, 14, a 3/8 1/2-inch adapter, 10, a 7 for the grease zerk, and a couple other 14s and 12s and 13s, and an extension.